welcome back to my channel. It's me again. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make banana cake. But first, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I just noticed I'm still wearing my AirPods. I'm like, why can't I hear? Because I'm still wearing my AirPods. So funny. But yes, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. First, start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees. Blend or mix bananas well. Add a cup of flour. Add 2 eggs. Add half a cup of milk. Add desired sugar or monk fruit. Add optional cinnamon. Add a tablespoon of oil. Mix well. Make sure to grease the pan well. Let bake for 35 to 40 minutes. And the cake is ready. Can't wait to try it. So good. Delicious, delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Also, I have been getting a lot of questions about all the clothes that I wear in these videos. If you love my clothes, as many of you girls do, and you want to take a look at them, I have a lot of them on Poshmark. As I told you guys, I am remodeling my apartment, throwing a lot of stuff away, and selling a whole bunch of stuff. So the link is on the information. Bye guys, till next time.